In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a higher high and higher low in TradingView. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. The first one is manual and the second one is automated using indicators. So let me show you both. Now, the first one is going to be the manual method. So when you open up your chart and of course your asset or symbol, you want to go and select the tools over here, top left, and you want to find the trend line. So click on over here and click on trend line because we're going to be using this to actually create this for us, okay? So let me actually go over here in the chart. There we go. We're going to try and do it over here. So you can just go ahead and use the trend line. And then whenever you do so, you can basically just start connecting it, okay? So we could go like, for example, from here to here. There we go. And then you can, of course, go and click on that again. And you can just connect it like this. There we go. And you could go to next low, whatever. And you can, of course, take your time and actually do this as precise as you want it to be, okay? And that way you can then connect like your higher highs and higher lows just like this, okay? So that's doable. You can do this, but it's a lot of manual work. So if you want it to be much quicker, you can do that by the method I'm going to show you right now. So what I usually do is just go to indicators up top. I look for HH and then HL. So if there's nothing in here, click on the search bar, type in HH, HL like this, and you have like a bunch of different ones. I'm gonna click on this first one over here. Of course, you can test multiple because there's gonna be a bunch of different ones. So I'm just going to click on this one, for example, and there we go. It's going to load on. As you can see, it's going to give me the higher highs and higher lows. Now I'm gonna go and of course try some other ones as well. Like for example, this one over here. It's going to, there we go. As you can see, it did this analysis over here for me in the back as well. And I can go and try this one as well. There's a bunch of different ones from community. So we can just go ahead and use these, and you actually won't have any manual work to do because this is going to do it automatically for you, which is quite amazing, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.